Hey there, guys. Today we're talking about something super exciting, the social media opportunity in 2024. Guys, this is for you if you are ready to take your game to the next level. So buckle up and let's get this party started. First up, let's talk about social media. Folks, this isn't just about scrolling through pictures or catching up on memes. Social media is the rocket fuel for your business. It's like having a billboard in Times Square, but without spending a dime. How cool is that? Here's what you can do. Pick your favorite platform. Could be Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, you name it. Start posting content that shows what you're passionate about. Share your journey, your products, your services. Be real, be you. And hey, consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and watch your business soar. Do you remember the lemonade stands from our childhood? Let me share a quick story. I had a friend that ran a lemonade stand. He learned something crucial. It's not just about the lemonade, it's about grabbing attention. So here's what you do. Look at your business like a lemonade stand. Find out what makes you stand out. Maybe it's your quirky personality, your insane skills, or your unbelievable product. Use that to catch people's eyes. Be the kid who doesn't just sell lemonade but sells an experience. Now let's talk about attention. It's not just about getting people to look your way, it's about keeping them hooked. Here's how you do it. Tell stories. People love stories. Stories about your struggles, your victories, your everyday life. This makes you relatable, and relatability is a magnet for attention. But remember, guys, it's a two-way street. Listen to your audience, respond to their comments, be part of their world. It's about building a community, not just a customer base. Now, moving on to a big no-no. Don't be that guy who's all me on social media. You know who I'm talking about. The ones who only care about likes, followers, and making a quick buck. That's a turnoff, guys. Here's what you do instead. Focus on adding value. Share tips, tricks, insights. Help your audience solve a problem, learn something new, or just make them smile. When you give more than you take, you build trust. And trust, my friends, is priceless. Finally, let's talk strategy. Social media is like a chess game. You gotta know your moves. One killer move. Post frequently and be everywhere. Think LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. Diversify your content, videos, blogs, pictures, mix it up. And remember, it's about the interest graph now, not just the social graph. Connect with people through shared interests, not just because you know them. Stand out by being genuinely interested in what interests your audience. Okay? It's action time. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to take these tips and put them into action. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being present and making progress. Before you go, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing your first action step. Let's make this journey together. Stay motivated, stay hungry, and let's crush those goals. Until next time, keep being awesome. And hey, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on personal growth and business success. You've got this.